Nick from SOHO Motorsports. Want to discuss a car that we just wrapped up. We basically, it's a 2012 Infiniti G37 for our client, David. He's been coming to us for a couple of years now. First started off with the basic Stillen Supercharger setup. Got tired of the power, wanted a little bit more, converted over to our air-to-air conversion, the 1050cc injectors, wanted a little bit more, did the fuel return system, E85, wanted a little bit more. Built IPT transmission, went to the fuel return system, 9-pound pulley, and here we are today. So this car is pretty impressive for what it is. Built automatic, like I said. So
at 14 pounds, this car made 645 and 475.
this thing moves. I mean, the built auto helps. Power band is very linear, very smooth. So he'll be very happy with this setup. So like I said, I just wanted to discuss what it took to get to that power level on the auto. So 1300cc injectors from Injector Dynamics. We did a 525 fuel pump. The CJM fuel return system was the main stuff around the fueling side of things. Did our air-to-air conversion setup, 9 psi pulley. We have the additional tensioner on the top side here to help with any belt slip if we do have any. Turbo guard that you normally will see when we do our air-to-air conversion setups. And then to be able to handle the power, the built IPT transmission, as well as the fast intentions flex plate. So you'll see, I'll go over the car, I'll do a slow glimpse of what you actually see in the engine bay, where you'll see this is actually the SCI supercharger. So if it did have the SI, we more than likely would make a little bit more power, just because the SCI blower tends to make a little bit less power than the SI blower. Like I said, I'll do a slow pan of what you actually see in the engine bay so you can see what you get. And then the main reason was I wanted to kind of discuss what it all takes to make that kind of power on these. There's a lot of confusion out there as to what kind of fuel components I need, what I need to do this, what I need to do that. So to get to where this client is at right now, at this around, call it 650 wheel and an auto, those are the components you're going to need.